Can you make these lines using only scissors and paper? In this video, you will find information about line, inspiration about a French artist who is famous for his cutout skills, and you will develop your practical skills using scissors to cut out different types of lines. Bonjour tout le monde! This is Anne from Artstarcastle. At Artstarcastle, you reach for the art stars to find information, inspiration, practical skills, and connections to help you on your learning journey in art and design. In this video, we are reaching for the Cutting Skills Lines Artstar. Let's start the lesson by finding some information for our heads about the visual element of line. The visual elements are part of an artist's toolkit. They are the visual parts that make up the art. The visual elements include colour, line, shape, tone, form, texture, and pattern. In this lesson, we will be focusing on the visual element of line. There are different types of line. In this lesson, we will be looking at straight line, wavy line, zigzag line. I would like you now to pause the video and think about one more type of line that you know. Leave your answer in the comment section below. To find more information about line, visit Artstarcastle and click on the toolkit page to find the line Artstar. To reach the Cutting Skills Line Artstar in this video, we still need to find some inspiration and practical skills. So just follow the rainbow art stars to help you on your journey. Inspiration for today's lesson is the French artist Henri Matisse, who made his famous cutout artworks using scissors. Matisse started doing the cutouts in the last 10 years of his life, and he described the process of making them as drawing with scissors. Matisse's cutouts were inspired by memories, stories, and travel. To find out more inspiration about Henri Matisse, visit the artist page on Artstarcastle and click on the Henri Matisse Art Star. In this lesson, we are learning about the visual element of line by cutting out different types of line. In this video, we will be using scissors to cut straight, wavy, and zigzag lines. The materials we need for this lesson are paper and scissors. I'm using printer paper, A4 white printer paper. If you've coloured paper, you can use that. You can also use newspapers, magazines, or any sort of scrap paper that you have lying about. Now that we've found some inspiration for our hearts and information for our heads, we're ready to start the practical skills part of this video. Let's get started. We're going to take one of the sheets and we're going to cut with the scissors in straight lines up the sheet. Now, before you use the scissors, make sure that you're holding them correctly. I'm left-handed, so this is the way I would hold scissors that are comfortable. If you're not sure if you're holding the scissors correctly, please speak to an adult that lives with you and ask them to show you how to use or hold scissors. So this is the way I would be holding the scissors. And whenever you're cutting, try not to cut like this. Try and cut without closing the scissors. So you're cutting with this part here. You're not snapping down on the page. Let me just demonstrate what that looks like. So cut like this, which will look like this. The scissors are not fully closing, and that allows you to keep moving with the scissors in the direction that you want to go in. Don't cut like this. This will make it difficult for you to keep moving in the direction you want to go in. It'll also mean you won't get a smooth line. And basically, like Henri Matisse, the French artist, we're wanting to draw with scissors, so we want nice smooth lines. If we're snapping the scissors, we're going to create sort of bumpy, jagged edges like that. Okay, holding the paper and the scissors, and we're going to cut. Remember not to snap the scissors, and that will allow you to move in a nice continuous line, and it keeps the edge of the paper nice and smooth. Be careful on this last bit. Make sure your fingers underneath aren't in the way of the scissors, so hold near the edge of the page so that you don't cut yourself. Remember to be careful when using scissors. So we're just cutting straight lines and just working on getting control with the scissors so we get nice smooth edges, and we try and go in the direction of the edge of the paper. Going to cut this paper in a wavy line like this. So that means we're going to have to change the direction of the scissors as we're cutting. Start, take the paper and the scissors, and we're going to angle the scissors slightly, so we're not cutting straight like we did with the straight line. We're angling to the left, and we're cutting round almost like half a circle, and then we're going to turn the scissors. You will have to go slower than when you were cutting the straight line, just to make sure you're getting a nice smooth curve. way, that way, that way. Okay, let's start. So finish when you want there to be a point. Finish cutting. Take the scissors out and cut in the other direction. Taking the scissors out each time, that'll mean you'll get a nice sharp point on the zig and the zag. Okay, so that's our first one done. Let's move on, and we're going to continue this. I'm going to speed up the video. Let's have a look at the key words in this art lesson. Line, straight line, wavy line, zigzag line. Scissors, Henri Matisse. Congratulations, you have completed this learning journey and have reached the Cutting Skills Line Artstar. In this Artstar, we have learnt about the visual element of line, we have found out about French artist Henri Matisse, and we have developed our practical skills cutting out different types of line with scissors. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please share it with one other person so they can reach for the Artstars. Did you complete this Artstar learning journey? If so, comment below with a star emoji to let me know that you've reached the Artstar. If you would like to continue reaching for the Artstars, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload the next lesson. Share photos of your work using the hashtag #ReachForTheArtstars. You can also connect with Artstarcastle on Twitter and Instagram, or visit Artstarcastle at www.artstarcastle.com. Thank you for joining me on this Artstar learning journey. See you in the next video. Au revoir tout le monde!